Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health. Welcome back to my channel Ariyanartacademy. Today I'm going to show you guys a Bugatti drawing. It is very simple drawing, and in this drawing I used pencil and pen, both materials. So if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give dislike button. And you can also comment in my video how was my video, what I need to improve in my video, and what you think about my video. So let's go and watch the video.